Ladies and gentlemen, welcome. In today's tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to merge text together. Text. Let's assume you have PixelLab. Okay. You have this text. Okay. I've taught you how to use this text icon, so please check our videos on that. Then let's copy this text again. Write another thing. Let's replace that with mobile. PixelLab mobile. Okay. Let's work on the font. Let's work on the font. Let's see, I need it. PixelLab mobile. So imagine I want to merge these text together to become one. Okay. I don't want to be working on them individually or separately. I want to use them or work on them at the same time. Then you tap on your layer icon or layer 2. Like that. Tap on this icon at the bottom. Select the text you want to merge. Click on this and then OK. Your text have become one. I hope you are getting this. Now this text have now become a tool, an object, not text any longer. You can't edit this text again as text. You can't edit them. So you can function on this or with this at this. You now move to this tool icon. Is that clear? This is where you can now work on this text. You can now decide to stroke it if you wish. Is that clear? You can do whatever you want to do with this text icon now, or with this text 3D. You want to 3D this text. This way you can do that. Hope you are getting this part. Hope you are getting this part, please. You can see now, got your 3D. You're working on this simultaneously. I hope this is clear to you. So that's how you merge text together on PixelLab. Thank you very much.